We have a what we got here. This is a Jeanneau Merry Fisher 795 175 horsepower 2017, 24 foot, 24.4, and it's got a beam of 2.81 meters. Draft 0.5. Merry Fisher. Here it is. There's a Yamaha. Don't drop the GoPro. What have we got in here? Let's have a little. Gentlemen, we'll let you look at it. Nice bit of seating area there. Very nice. Smells nice too. So, what do you fill up with fuel? Not sure. Let's get my GoPro here. Going in over the side. Got a little Waco fridge there. Nice bit of dining area sitting there. It's nice. Captain's chair. Got a Lawrence chart plotter there. And you've got a VHF. Windscreen wipers. Bosch windscreen wipers there. And it's got a compass in the middle. It's got sunlight at the top. Antenna 795. It's got an anchor locker there. Danforth anchor chamber there. Access, it's a bit rough to get out the front there. A bit of lighting in the cabin. Very nice. 64,950. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money for a 24-foot boat, but it is quite nice. How beamy it is. For 2.8. Yeah. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. There's some mullet in here. Suzuki outboard there. There's all sorts. That's one 74,000. What's that? 2008 Malika, is it? For sale. How much is this one? £94,000 for 21. That's only got a 90 on it. Look. How can he's 94,000? Fucking hell. 9-metre boat. It's a lot of money. Some fancy accommodation inside. Yeah. Incredible. Yeah, I don't know what the mooring. Oh, there's a mullet there. Look. Just there. He's feeding on this weed here. Look, along the side there. I don't know if you saw him, but they're everywhere. So what you want to do to target these mullet, what you'd want to do, you would want to get your finger, don't drop the GoPro in, get your finger, see this weed here, that or this slimy shit. It's got a load of microorganisms in it and stuff like that. If you can get it, this sort of stuff, that is what I would put on the hook for one of these mullet. I'd suspend that under a float, and that's what he'd want to have a munch on. Something like that, something soft like that. You could dip that in a load of flour and milk and breadcrumb and a sort of a paste. Even you could experiment with a bit of sort of krill sort of stuff, but that would be my mullet go-to. I've just seen him feed on it, so you can see all the little bits and stuff coming off it, and just dropping that down in there and ground bait with that. This brackish water. Oh, there he is. This one there, look. They're just there. There he is. He's got loads. He's spoiled for food. that's for sure. He's spoiled for food. There he is. There he is, just there, look. Going under the boat, look. There's a food in there. I don't know how long they'll stay in here. Well, there's food's in here, I suppose. I thought that was there, look. See him feeding, look. There, mullet there. That's what you'd want to use for bait. That clump of weed shit. They're not really going to be interested in a lot else. Bread's pretty good. Look at him, look. He just grazes, you see. They're tame as hell, look. Come right up to me, look. Just nuzzling at things. You just got to find something what they would nuzzle at. You could almost scoop them out with a net, look. Couldn't you? Almost scoop them out with a net. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Shy fish, but I'm not moving, I'm just stationary. I'm not moving, not moving them. You can't hear me. There's a little bit of noise from the digger as well. They're not bothered. In here, all this weed, and they've got plenty of cover under the boats as well. But as soon as I stand up and walk around, they'll bugger off. They just come around the side. It's yeah, incredible. There's lots of coarse fish in here as well. There's pike. You get big pike in here. There's one. There he is. There, look. He's just down there. Oh well, you can see that. He's gone down a bit deep there. He's coming up now. Incredible. Flash to the side there. Like I say, I'm not sure how well you can see them, but I've got Polaroids on so I can see. There we are. There's one grazing just in the corner there. Look. He's just feeding on this sort of this bit of weed in there. Just feeding on that weed. There's another one there. Got this GoPro in. There he is, mullet. Spooked him. Sort of weed they like. Incredible. Know they were in here. It's far inland. This is good 19 mile inland. Yeah, there's a boat here, look. What's that? 19,950, 24 foot, 1990. Yeah. Incredible.